students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is linear equations in two variables of class 9th, and this is the first session of this chapter. That's why first I am going to give you a brief introduction of what we are going to study in this chapter. The first we will be doing the definition of the linear equation in two variables, then definition of the solution, that what is the solution of a linear pair of equation, and how to draw graph of a linear equation in two variables. And the fourth one is type of the solutions based on different type of graphs drawn. Let's first define what is known as a linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers such that a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and x, y are variables is called linear equation in two variables. For example, you can take any examples which include two of the variables like x plus 8y equal to 6. Here a is 1, b is 8 and c is minus 6. And like 5x minus 4y equal to 8. Now the important thing, why we are taking that a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0 in this equation is, that is because when we take a equal to be 0, here it becomes 0 into x plus by plus c equal to 0, which ultimately comes out to be by plus c equal to 0. That is, we are left with only one variable. So it becomes the equation in one variable. Therefore, the restriction here applies is that a should not be 0 and b should also not be 0. Now next is, what is solution? The values of x and y which satisfies a given equation two variables is called its solution. Students, now here I am going to explain you how to check whether a given particular value of x and y is a solution of a given equation or not, step by step. See, this is our equation 3x minus 2y equal to 5. First we will see the left hand side. This is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side, and in short we write LHS for left hand side and RHS for right hand side. Okay, first we will write the LHS of the equation and simply put x equal to 3 here and y equal to 2 here. Nine minus 4, which comes out to be 5. So you can see that right hand side is also 5 and what we are left with is also 5. That means here LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved that x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. Hence proved. So simply whenever you have to check whether a given value is a solution of an equation or not, just go for LHS and RHS. If the LHS is equal to RHS, then the x or y given is the solution of the given equation. So that's all for the brief intro of this chapter. In the next video, we will be doing how to solve linear equations in two variables with the help of graph. Thank you.